No, the shrapnel.
Look at this guy. It snowed yesterday, but he's still working.
It does so much damage in the backyard with the roots that go underneath the concrete. He said that there was it was starting to get into the foundation of the garage. These silver maples are awful that way.
This tree is gonna be a lot of work. There's garage, roof, fence. Pretty much everything that could be in the way is in the way. As you can see, Joe doesn't waste any time getting to work. And it's kind of like he knows what he's doing. Well, you're gonna find out soon if I know what I'm doing. And the answer to that is no. I screwed up. I screwed up 3 times.
What? It's warming up.
He's past the halfway point. And no damage done.
That's a better drop zone. I don't think I could throw it that far. And if I miss, you lose a gutter.
Now remember, the edit is deceiving, so it makes it look like it was really quick, but Joe was up there working quite a while without any mistakes. So, since he needed a break and I wanted to be helpful, I decided I should head out. Okay, hold it there. What are you doing? I was gonna take this little branch. Oh no!
You need me to ease up on the rope? Enough weight on this big boy to hold that thing up. Alright, here we go.
Hey.
Try to go out in the backyard. Try to help you down. Not gonna lie, Lance.
I didn't think it was as far, obviously. Yep. Oh no! God damn it. What's that? I'm feeling pretty bad about what I'm doing. Give me another chance here. Joe, you made it look so easy. Just catching the stupid stuff is the problem. Well, I'm an optimist, so now I'm going to point out the positives. Positives, I didn't do any damage, so that's good. And I learned from my mistakes, and I didn't have any more screw-ups. With my first one, I did not think I had to throw it as far. Second one, I got hung up.
Joe, I don't think I could take these two. Do you want me to come back down so you can start on that? I should have recorded more of this because this is tighter than you would expect. You got about 3 feet. Oh! Should I put these over the fence if I can?
Yeah, that's fine. Party.
You gotta love that nice hard ground, right? Headache.
Well, Joe's gonna keep working, I have to take off, but thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you hit subscribe.
Yeah, warming up the veins in the back of my hand to warm up my fingertips. It's like anybody that's gonna be watching this video is gonna be like, "Hey, idiot, put on some thicker gloves."